What's going on, guys and gals? Chris here with West Coast Harley-Davidson. We are your largest pre-owned Harley-Davidson dealership in Northern California. Today we have for you a 2004 Harley-Davidson Softail Fatboy. Of course, you can see it's got the classic Fatboy styling from those disc wheels up front, chopped front fender, badging on the tank. This one's pretty well dressed out. You can see it's got the lava red paint scheme. 1.25" bars, all internally wired, nice clean look, all steel braided lines, full chrome to sell, headlamp bucket and lower forks. 88 cubic inch motor with the black and chrome finish. It is fuel injected, was optional those years. 5-speed transmission, got the nice axle covers in the rear, Vance Hines exhaust. There's that classic Fatboy full fender. Let's get some nice tight bolt lights on here, keep it nice and clean. This bike has just over 17,000 miles on it, 17,488. Nice look at those knurled grips, chrome switch housings. This bike is immaculate for being a 14-year-old motorcycle. Give us a call or stop in and see us. We are located directly off the 101 and Main Street in Salinas. Once again, this is Chris with West Coast Harley-Davidson, 831-731-5066.